Okay, this is the first time I'm recording directly to YouTube via my phone. Usually I just do my screen share. So bear with me when I try to show you guys some of the hardware we're going to be using. So we're going to walk through setting up a Cisco 2800 series router. So this is basically what it looks like. I already have it on, it's plugged in, and I've already turned on the port before I started this video, but I'm going to walk you guys through how to do that. And you can see I have connectivity. So some of the things you're going to need in order to do that, and I'm connecting this to my PC so I can configure this through my PC. So there's some things you're going to need. The first thing is this is what we call like a DV9. It kind of looks like a VGA, but it's not. You see there's only 2 rows of pins instead of 3. So this DV9 goes to just a USB USB connector. And this is going to be what you connect to your PC. The other part is going to be the female of the DV9. And it's going to go to this, what looks like a RJ45, but it's not an RJ45. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Now, actually before we do that, when you order this, it should come with some sort of CD. These are your drivers. You need to install these, otherwise connecting it won't work. I mean, you can connect it, but it won't see it. Or it'll see it, it won't understand what it is. So we're going to start by connecting our console. So you'll see this is a blue cable, and there's a blue label on here. It actually says console. So we're going to go ahead and connect that. I'm having to do this one-handed. Okay, so now I'm going to take this end and connect it to this end. Flip my phone over for a minute. See, nice good match. So now I'm going to take my USB and put it right into my desktop. Now keep in mind I am doing this one-handed. Now one of the things you're going to need is putty, and you can download putty, it's free. I just type putty.org. Oops. So that's what it looks like. Just go ahead and download it and install it. It's pretty easy. So once you have that, the next thing you're going to want to do is go down into your Windows icon and right click, go into your device manager, and click on your ports, and you're going to see the new port on this. Again, I've already installed my drivers, so I can see my port, USB to serial COM port, and we're using COM 10, so that's important to know that. So we're going to right click, search, putty, bring this over, and now we want to change this to serial, and again remember we're using COM 10, so I can close out of this now, and then we're going to click on open. And then enter, and you'll see that I've already changed my host name to ASIT pound or ASIT 1. So let's go ahead and change it. And there's a lot of videos that walk you through how to set up your router through the command line. Just some basics. EN to enable. I want to do config T, enter. I want to change my host name back to ASIT, ASIT, enter. And you'll see that my host name is now changed to ASIT. The next thing I want to do is work with my interface for my port for my internet for connectivity. So I want to interface, and I know it's on the F0/0, so I want to interface with F0/0. Oops. And then enter. And now I'm working with my interface. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is I want to do no shut to turn on the port. Enter, and it's going to turn on that port. Now we have to have the DHCP apply a IP address. So to do that, we're going to type in IP address space DHCP. Enter. And give it a second. And keep in mind, I've already done this. You'll actually get a line telling you what the IP address is, and there it is. Okay. So my IP address is now going to be this 172.172.0894. I want to go ahead and ping it from my machine. So I'm going to go down to my Windows icon, right click, run. CMD, run my command line. And I want to go ahead and ping, PING space 172.17.208.94. Enter. Request timed out. Okay, now if I go to do it again, it should work just fine. Click on my up arrow. And I got perfect. Okay, awesome. So now I know I am connected to my router. And that's how you do it.